today we would like to introduce our wall printing machine. Firstly, I would like to introduce Curve Laser is a world-famous professional manufacturer with 25 years history, and our products, and we have many products such as laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, dot pin marking machine, laser welding machine, and wall printer. And we have exported more than 180 countries. It has been replaced the traditional handwork, and it can print on wall and glass and ceramic tile, wood, metal, and other materials. Now I would like to introduce more details about our printer. Firstly, you can see the wall printer. It is for printing on different kinds of wall and wood, paper, ceramic tile, metal, and so on. Firstly, I will introduce more details about this printer. You can see there are 4 wheels. It can move on the floor directly, and I will introduce the different parts to you. You can see here is the machine head. Here is the machine head, and there is a print head inside of the machine head. For the print head, it is imported from Japan, Epson famous brand. And here is an ink absorber. Here, the black device. Here is a magnet. The magnet can attach to the print head, and the whole part is covered. It is for pump ink and mix the different colors of ink together and print vivid colors out. And here it has another function. It can avoid dust, dirty the print head. So if you will not operate the machine, you can cover this ink absorber to the print head like this. Now you can see here are 4 magnets. Magnet can attach to the print head like this. Also, you can see for the machine head. For the machine head, there are two sensors. For the sensors, it is imported from USA. Upper one and above one, and here is upper one, and below there is also a sensor. For the sensor, it is for sense the wall if it is not flat or there is any curve. The machine can handle it by the software because it can sense the wall if it is not flat or any curve. It can handle it directly. Here you can see here is the ink tanks. Here is the ink tanks. For ink tanks, it is for store the ink. You can pour ink into the ink tanks. You can see there are four different colors of ink. These four different colors of ink can mix together and print the divided colors out. And we also support 5 colors: blue, yellow, red, black, and white. Our printer also can support 5 colors. So you can print on dark wall or the wall with other colors. And next part is the vertical reel. For this printer, the standard printing height is 2 meters. The printer can print 2 meters height, and because there are 4 wheels, the printer can move on the floor directly, and when printing, it will move at the same time. Also, we have the transverse reel. You also can put the printer on the transverse reel. So for the printing height, there is no limit. You can print the lines which you can print the lines which you need. Also for printing height, it can be customized. For the standard printing height is 2 meters, but you can customize to 2.1 or 3 meters. It's okay. You can see the vertical reel. Here is a steel bar. The steel bar, can see here. Here is a steel bar. It is import from UK. It is import from UK, and it will not rust. And when the print height move up and down, it can move smoothly, and there is no problem for the printing, and it will not affect the printing quality. Also, for moving up and down, it can move by the belt. Here is one piece of belt, and it will not damage easily because it is really stable and cannot break easily. Okay, for this printer, we will introduce the software to you. Okay, now we move back the printer. You can see the interface of the printer. Here is computer inside of the machine, and here is an intelligent touch screen computer. So you can operate the machine very convenient, and it's very simple. You can click the software. Here is the software. It is our Perfect Laser software. It is the professional software for wall printers. Now I will introduce the software shortly. You can see here. Okay, from the wall printer, you can see there are two USB ports. There are two USB ports. For the USB port, you can upload your image. You can upload your image by a USB disk, and insert the USB disk into the port, and upload the images which you need to print. And the software can identify the image, and you can choose the image which you need to print from the software. Okay, here is the interface of the software. You can see there are many different buttons, and for different buttons, it has different functions. We click operation. You can see here. Here is a pressure ink on the top. Here is pressure ink. The pressure ink is for pump the ink before printing, because we need to make sure the printing quality is the best. So before printing, we need to test the ink status. We need to test the ink status. Firstly, we need to press the pressure ink. Then the software can pump ink and pump ink out and mix them together and print the very beautiful colors out. Also here you can see there is inkjet test. Inkjet test is for test the ink. Here is the test result like this. Because for this printer is supposed 4 colors: black, blue, red, and yellow. So when we test the ink status, you can hold a white paper in front of the printer head like this, and when you click inkjet test, the printer can test the ink status like this, and you can see there are 4 colors come out like this. If the colors is very beautiful and there is no more lines and there is no mixed colors, it means the ink standard, the ink status is very good. So you can open the file which you need to print and print on the wall directly. For our wall printer, the printing speed. For the wall printer, the printing speed is 32 square meters per hour. It means the printer can print 32 square meters at least per hour. So the printing speed is very fast, and it is for single print head only. But if we also have the printer with 2 printing heads. For 2 printing heads, the printing speed is 30 square meters per hour. It is 1,000 single print head. You can see the printing speed is very fast. Also, our another advantage is the printing resolution. For the printing resolution, I will show it to you. For the printing resolution, our highest printing resolution is 9,600 dpi. It's really very high print resolution. As we know, for the printing resolution, if the date is high, it means it can print the high quality image it can print high quality image out such as 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, and it can print the very clear and like life. For the printing head, for this model, there is single printing head. And here is the wheels. For the wheels, the printer can move on the floor directly without the transverse wheel. And here is the steel reel. The steel reel. There are two sides of steel reel. One side is 1.5 meters. So the total height, so the total length is 3 meters. You can put the printer on the transverse reel. And you can see the working video. The working video is like this. It can print on the wall. And you can see the printing speed is very fast. Also can see the wheels. It can move on the floor. It also can print on wood, ceramic, steel, metal, and other materials. For our display printer, the standard ink color is black, yellow, red, and blue. It also supports 5 colors, except these 4 colors. It also supports white colors. So you can print on the dark background. For example, if the wall is black or blue or red or with other colors. Because we have white ink, so you can print on the dark wall or other colored wall directly. For our wall printer, it has the widely application. It can it is widely used in home decoration and advancing industry, culture, and education. You also can print the image for advancing hotel decoration and government or culture and education. For the ink, it is synthetic. It is synthetic pigment ink. It is no smell and safe to use. It also can print on the kid rooms. Because our printers has passed different certifications. I will show the certifications to you. Here is the RoHS. Here is the RoHS certification. Can see. It is the environment requirements certification. It can prove our printer is safe to use in the room, and there is no smell and will not hurt our body or health. And here is the CE certificate. It is issued by Europe countries. It is meet the Europe countries standard and requirements. Here is our certificate, TUV certificate. It is issued by Alibaba. It can prove our company is a professional manufacturer, and Alibaba has visited our company and take videos and photos and prove we are a reliable and professional company. So you can trust us for to do the business with us. Okay, we will show some samples to you. Okay, we will show some samples to you. Let's see here. Here is the printing on paper. Can see we use the UV ink to print this image. Let's see the details of these eyes, and it has the colorful. It is black light and has with the colorful ink, and also it looks very beautiful. You can see the details, the eyes. You can see clear of the colors. It's with high quality, and you can see clear. For our printer, it also can print on different kind of materials. Here is the different images. It can print out like this. I see clearly about this. For printing on paper, it is the same as for printing on wall. If you're printing on wall, you can get the same quality. You can get the same quality for printing on wall or different materials. Let's see here. The printer can mix different colors, and you can see it is colorful, and the quality is very good. Okay, you can see. You can print different direction like this. You can print different direction like this. It's vertical printing like this. You can see. You can see clearly about this. For printing on paper, it is the same quality for printing on wall. It's the same. And the color is very beautiful. You can see it's very heavy. It's very heavy. It is ceramic tail. It's a ceramic tail, and you can see it can print on the ceramic tail, and you can see the surface is very smooth, and it can print it out, and with the beautiful colors and the color will not fade away. And you can touch it by your finger, and there is no ink come out. So it's very stable and will not fade away. Okay, let's back to our instruction of the printer. Okay, you can see the wall printer will turn off if you haven't operated the printer for 10 minutes. It will save the energy. It will save the energy, so it will turn off automatically. Here you can see for our printer, it can print on different materials such as glass, ceramic tail, wood, and metals. It can print the same quality as the papers I showed you, as the paper I showed you, like this. Here is our software. For the software, there is a LCD touch screen. It's intelligent LCD touch screen. You can operate the machine for touch the screen to control the printer because our software has been installed well into the machine. So when you receive the machine, you can operate the machine directly and needing to install the software. So it's very convenient for you. And for the LCD touch screen, it is 12-inch. And it for outside printing, you need to carry your own computer because there is a computer inside of our printer, and the software has been installed well. So when you do outside printing, it is very convenient for you. You can control the software you can control the printer by this computer directly. And here is a one key turn on button, easy to operate. Here you can see the ink tanks. There are 4 ink tanks. It can store different ink colors. For ink, also synthetic pigment ink, and also the UV ink. For these 2 different kinds of ink, you can choose them as you need. For the synthetic pigment ink, it is special made by our company, and it can print white colors, and it will not block the print head easily. So, for the synthetic pigment ink, you needn't the special cleaning liquid to clean the printing head and whole ink system. Just using the purified water to clean the print head and the whole ink system is okay. For using the UV ink, because it is special ink, so you need the special cleaning liquid to clean the print head and the whole ink system. We have different kinds of ink. Buy it with the machine together to save the shipping cost for you. Also, for ink, there is no smell and safe to use, and we have certificate to prove the liquid and ink are safe to use. It will not damage. It will not hurt your body and healthy. Also, here are 2 sensors. For the sensors, it is import from USA. We have 2 sensors, upper and below, will equipped on the machine height. For the sensor, it is for sense the wall. If it is not flight, the sensors can sense the wall and handle it automatically. Also, here is a location pointer. For the location pointer, it is for locate the printing position. For example, if you need to print the image from 10 centimeters height of the wall, and you can, here is a cross, red cross. Here is a red cross light come out from the machine height. So you can find the red cross, and for the center of the red cross, it is the start print position. Can you get it? I will show the location system to you later. Here you can see there is a single well. It is for lock the printer. When you put it on the floor, it will not move by itself. And the gate rail is made by aluminum magnesium oil, and it's very durable and light. It's very durable and light. For the standard printer, there are two sides of transverse reel. One transverse reel is 1.5 meters, so the standard is 3 meters. For the printing height, the standard printing height is 2 meters. 2 meters, but we can customize the higher printing height, like 2.5 meters, 3 meters. Just the vertical reel can be extended. For our printer, there is a big advantage is for printing a large image, our software can split the large image into several pieces. So you can click one by one. For example, the software can split the large image into several pieces, and you can click the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 for printing one by one. It's very simple to operate the machine, and it's very convenient to print a large image. For example, the large image is 6 meters height and 8 meters wide. When you upload the image into our software can identify the image and split the whole image into several pieces. Then you can click one by one. Yes, like this. Okay, for our printer, there also is a big advantage. There is in the UPS battery backup inside of the printer. For the UPS battery, it is for printing when there is something wrong or the machine stopped suddenly, or the power failure suddenly in all sides. But the printer can print the image, continue to print the image. It can be used for 12 to 15 hours at least. Okay, for this printer, the printing speed is 32 square meters per hour. For our printer, it can equip single printing head. Also, it can equip 2 printing head. For the printer with single printing head, the printing speed is 32 square meters per hour. For the printer with 2 printing heads, the printing speed is 34 square meters per hour. You can see the printing speed is very fast. Also for the printing resolution, our printing resolution can reach to 9,600 200. If the printing resolution is higher, the printing quality is the best. For the vertical view, if you are printing an image, but if there is something wrong or you made a mistake for the printing, if the printer is stopped suddenly, when you're printing again, the printer can print the image from the last operation. For example, if you print an image, but when you print half of the image, but the printer has some problem and stopped, or there is something wrong, or you made a mistake for this, the printer is stopped. When you turn on the printer again, the printer can print an image from the last operation, from the last position you printed, and continue to finish the whole image printing. Here is the big advantage of our printer. Also for the wall printer, it supports 220 voltage, 50 or 60 frequency. For example, if our customers are from USA, Canada, and other countries, their standard voltage is 110 and 60 frequency. We also can offer the same voltage to them. Also, if the printer using synthetic pigment ink, it needn't special cleaning into the working video. You can see how it works. You can see the printing quality is very good, and it also can print on ceramic steel, and glass, metal. Also, the vertical view can be folded like the picture we show you. And it also has more applications. It has different applications. It can print on different kinds of walls. Absorbent surfaces and non-absorbent water surfaces. It also can print. For this model, it also has the UPS battery backup. So when you do outside printing, when the printer is stopped suddenly due to the power failure, the printer can continue to work for 12 to 15 hours at least. Also, the printer supports single printing head and two printing head. Also, here is an ink tank and the ink absorber to protect the printing head. Here is a magnet. Magnet can attach to the printing head and avoid any dirty to damage the printing head. Also, it has two sensors. The sensors are imported from USA. We have two sensors, the upper one and below one. Also, the difference is the vertical wheel. There are two wheels on the vertical wheel, so you can put the vertical wheel on the transverse wheel directly. When printing, the wheel can move in the vertical wheel can move on the transverse wheel by the wheel when printing. And here is a location system. You can know where you need to print, where you need to start print. For the location system, there is a red cross wheel showing on the wall, so you can know where you need to start printing. For the start position, it is from the center of the cross. The vertical wheel can be folded like this. And for the software, it also has the big advantage is split the large image into several pieces. For example, if you need to print large image, the software can split the whole image into several pieces like this. It is split by the software automatically. Then you can click each pieces for printing one by one, like this. Okay, I would like to let you know our service. For our service, firstly, we have 12 months warranty to you. It means if there is something, if there is some parts damaged during the warranty, we can repair or replace the new part to you for free charge. Also, we will send the detailed user's manual and training video with the machine together. Because the software has been installed very well into the computer or so when you receive the machine, you can operate the machine directly. Normally, our customers can operate the machine very well after they check the video within 3 minutes. If you still don't know how to operate the machine, we can provide online service. Our technician will get you how to operate the machine step by step online. And we also will show the printers and explain each steps until you can machine very well. Here are some questions from our customers. The question 1. What colors can it print out? All colors can be printed out, and the basic colors are four different colors: red, yellow, black, and blue. Our software can, our ink system can mix different colors together and provide and print the colorful colors. Question 2. How about the ink? How about the ink consumption? And what's the expiry date of the ink? For one set of ink, there are 4 bottles with 4 different colors. One set of ink can print 300 square meters at least, and the ink expiry time is 3 years. What is the printing speed and resolution? For our printer, the printing speed can reach to 64 square meters per hour. And for the print resolution, it is 9600 dpi. Another question: how does it need for printing 1 square meter? For printing 1 square meter, because its printing speed is very fast, so for printing 1 square meter, it takes 1 to 2 meters only. Does it use oil-based ink or water-based ink? For the ink, it is special made by our company, and it is synthetic pigment ink and special for our printers. We have many times tested for the ink. It is the most suitable ink for printers. Another question: what print head it used? For the print head, we use Japan famous brand Epson customized printing head. Another question: may I ask if the wall printer can print on glass directly? For the printer, it can print on absorbent surfaces and also the non-absorbent water surfaces. It can print on glass for sure. Before printing, the glass surface need to brush the treatment liquid on it. Another question, does the machine has touch screen system or needs to be connected to a laptop? For our wall printer, it has a touch screen system and can be connected to an internal USB. And no need to connect to a computer. It's very convenient. And so if you need to print different images, you just need to store the images into a USB disk. Then you can insert the image. You can insert USB disk to the computer or pad. Our software can identify the image and the files, and you can choose the image which you need to print from the software. Another question, how can I clean the print head and ink system? With water or something or some chemicals to clean it. For the printer using our synthetic pigment ink, it needn't any special cleaning liquid. Just using the purified water to clean the print head and ink system. Also, you need to clean it by your hand. You can control it by our software, and our software can control the cleaning automatically. Just for using the UV ink, because UV ink is special ink, so it needs special cleaning liquid to clean the printing head and the ink system. But it is also controlled by our software automatically, and no need to clean it by your hand. Another question, can it print on the ground directly? The answer is yes. Because we have the latest technology, and we also have another model for print both on wall and ground. So you can print on ground directly. I will show some videos to you. You can see the picture. It can print on ground like this. And here is the working video for you checking. some samples we printed on wall for you checking. You can see. Okay, another question. How to print an image more than 2 meters? Wow, that's a great question. Because our standard printer can print 2 meters height. So if your image is over 2 meters, our software can split the large image into several pieces, and so you can click one by one for printing. And how about the warranty? Our warranty is 12 months. It means we can replace or repair the parts which is damaged during the warranty for free check. And another question, what method you can support? We accept Western Union and Alibaba Trade Assurance. So you can, normally we will send the perform invoice for your checking. For the perform invoice, it has detailed order instructions and the specifications, also the file with our banking information. So you can check it. If everything is okay for you, you can make payment to us by bank transfer. What's the delivery time? For the wall printer, it can be sent within 3 to 5 days. Because for our machines, the quality will be checked carefully before shipment, so it needs 3 to 5 days to ship the machine. Also, we will send detailed test video and package pictures to you for your checking before shipment. And after get your confirmation, we will ship the machine to you. For ship the machine, we also can provide the different shipment documents to you. So there is no worry to import the printer to your country. Okay, the next question, what about the packing? how to make sure it is safely packed? We have three layers. We have three layers package. For the inside of the machine, we will pack it by thick foam. So also the main part, for example, the printing head, it will be packed very well by the thick foam. So please no worry. And we also have many thick foam will be put into the wooden case, and there is a thick wooden case will pack the machine. For the wooden case, it is meet export standard. Okay, here is our today's live show. Thanks for watching our live show. If you have any questions, if you have interest about our wall printer or other machines, please contact us, and our salesperson will reply you immediately and give our best price to you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.